this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to register or create Kakao Talks account. In order to register or create Kakao Talk, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up your Play Store. On the search box, type in Kakao Talk and then click the install button and wait for the application to be completely installed. After the application is completely installed, click the open button and begin with the procedure of creating your account. Now just go ahead and accept all of the terms and conditions. And next, what you have to do is press the sign up button located right at the bottom. Once again, go to the terms and services and click on I agree by marking on all of these requirements and click on agree and continue. Next, you have to go ahead and enter in your phone number and click on the OK button. So now a verification code is going to be sent through an SMS, which you have to go ahead and check your SMS. After that, you'll just have to send the message and then you'll be able to receive a verification code. Just have to wait for the verification code. After that, you can start with your procedure, all that, and you'll have successfully created your Kakao Talk account. Okay, so that is how you can create Kakao Talks account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.